Hi. How you doing?
Hi.
We're here again. grab a card, babe. Let's get started. Go ahead, grab one.
That's my color.
What do you think?
That's you, man.
Good.
Yes.
Let me take my card.
I love it. That's awesome.
We saved her. We can go to
Okay, how boring are we? You know what? You can wear this at the beach.
I hope we don't want her. Everybody will be thrilled.
I love it. Here.
Let's go up with that. Why do you think we're in the extra large department? We're really excited.
I know.